Hey, what's up guys? My guitar is back on an episode of Blessing, okay, for today. I'm going to show you some passing chords, simple passing chord when you're going to your 1, 6, 4, 5 chord progressions, okay? So, before we move into the video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button if the first time watching my video, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? I want to shout out to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always commenting and liking. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so in this video, I'm not going to waste your time. I just want you to stick to the end of the video. Okay, watch to the end and make sure you don't skip any part of this video. So at the end of it, you can drop your comment, how you feel about the video, and what you need to learn more about the video. Okay. So I'm going to do the lesson in the key of C, okay? So I need to use my acoustic to make the video. So wherever you don't understand, you can hit on the comment section. I'm going to give the reply as soon as possible. So make sure your guitar, at first make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. Okay, like mine is on the standard tuning. Okay, your E, B, G, okay? Make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. So this is your 1 chord. I'm holding my sus chord. And this is my C sus 2 chord. Going to my 6 chord. To my 4 chord. I'm playing a C sus 4. To my 5 chord. Which is a G major. Okay, this is a G major. Okay, so for most of you that understand the chord through key sections, okay, this is the C, the key of C sus 2, and this is the A minor chord, and this is the A minor chord. So you have your F here, which is your 4th chord in the key of C. Okay, that is your 4th chord. But you can likely hold a C sus 4. It's just like playing your your F sus 2 here. Okay, so likely play the C sus 4, but you can equally play the F major chord there. Okay, so some chords you can play in. Okay, you can play in those spaces, okay? Maybe you are improvising on. Okay, so maybe you're improvising the chord progression like that's your 1 chord, going to your 6 chord. To your 4th chord, okay? To your 5 chord. So while going to your 6th chord, you can play something like that is a C sharp diminished, okay? Okay? So many of you that don't understand the C sharp diminished, and this is the key of C sharp. Okay, this is a C sharp, this is the root. So you place your finger on the root. Your ring finger goes on the sharp, you can call it the flat feet. Okay, yeah, that's a flat feet, or you can call it sharp 4. Okay, while your first finger goes on your 6th note there, which is the La. Okay. Then your pinky goes on the flatted, okay, which is your umoh. Okay, goes on the flatted, that is your umoh. Okay, then this is your root, the C sharp root here, and the 2nd string. So when you play your so on this shape now, you have your umoh there, okay, which is your flatted. More, okay, so you can, okay, that is your flat set. So from when you're going to your 6th chord, you can hold your C sharp diminished. Okay, to your to your 6th chord, which is your A minor chord. Okay, then from there you can go to your when you are going to your 4th chord. Okay, you can play your C major 7. Okay, you can play your C major 7. So most of you that don't understand the C major 7, this is your root. Okay, this is your root. So when you want to play your C major 7, you place your first finger on your root here, and while your ring fingers goes on the 5th note there, which is the saw, then your index finger goes on the do, the T there, which is your 7th note. Okay. Then your pinky goes under there, play your Mi. Okay, the 3rd note there. Okay, that gives you a major 7th chord. That gives you a major 7. That sounds major 7. So from your major 7 now, you can go to your 4th chord here. Okay, you can go to your 4th chord, because it's just like playing a Mi. Okay, that's just like playing a 3rd chord there. Ra. Okay, Mi, Ra. Okay, so that's your major 7th. Okay, so you just play. So we can. So this is how it sounds from the Do chord now. On the 1 chord, your Do, La, Mi, Ra. Okay, now when you go to your song, you can play something like so what I'm playing here is I'm playing a D dominant. I'm playing an A dominant 7 chord. Going to my Re, that's my 2 chord there, which is the D minor chord there. Going to the 5 chord now, which is the G major. Then your Do. So I play the A dominant 7, goes to my D minor, to my F, to my G major. Okay, your 1 chord. So that's how it sounds like. It sounds like a Do, D, La, La, Mi, Ra, D, Re, Do. Okay, it's very simple. You just walk around, see how you can practice that. Okay, so you can work on it. You get used to it. Okay. D, okay. So all this chord you're going to play it one note. Okay, you just play the one step, one touch. Okay, you don't repeat it, because it's just a passing note. It's just a passing chords to the official chord you want to play. So you just play it one, just like a D. This is a C sharp diminished. There, La. So you need to practice that so your fingers can get used to the chord position. That's a kind of A dominant 7. Playing an A dominant 7 to the D minor chord, which is the Re. Okay, then go to your G major. So G major, the Do. Okay, so guys, wherever you don't understand, you can hit me on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.